Here we are on a very wet November's day where we've taken refuge in our polytunnel where we can talk about some interesting winter evergreens. Next up is the Mahonias. This one here is called Winter Sun and this one here is Mahonia Ex-Media Charity. These are both hybrids from Mahonia Japonica and Mahonia La Marifolia. They're an interesting group of plants on the whole, Mahonias, and new findings are being made and new plants are adding to the collection all of the time, and at Burncoose our range is constantly increasing. These grow quite big. They can grow to about 2 to 3 meters and they flower for a really long time because they have that hybrid vigour, and the flowers are really sweetly scented and they're really good for the wildlife which is out at this time of year when there's not much else in flower. And a fantastic structural plant with these glossy pinnate leaves which appear in this kind of like rosette form. They're really stunning. Another recent addition is the Mahonia Soft Caress. This actually won the RHS Plant of the Year award in 2013, and it wasn't even in flower when it won that. It won it simply because of its foliage. Look how different it is to the rest of the Mahonias that we have here. It's really soft. It doesn't actually grow that big. It grows to about 1 meter by 1 meter spread. It flowers for a relatively short time compared to the other Mahonias, for about 2 months at the end of summer. But it is a fabulous plant, ideal for a shady border where you're just really focusing on greens, adding some ferns there, some hostas, some epimediums, and you've got a really sort of soft, glossy, classy green border which this would complement perfectly. So there we are. There's a brief introduction to our range of Mahonias here at the nursery. You can go online to see our full range for further details.